Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have a low impact HIIT workout for you. This is gonna be fun. This is going to move your body. You're gonna feel good. You're gonna sweat a little bit. You're gonna burn some calories, but it's gonna feel so good. So let's get started. Alrighty, we're gonna be doing 3 sets. The first set is gonna be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along. And then the next 2 sets are gonna be more of a complete run through of all of them. So if you haven't already though, can you just go ahead and click the notification bell right now, right on your screen, just so that you can stay on top of any new workout videos going. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's get started with our first set. Are you ready? Are you excited? I am. Let's do it. Alrighty, we're gonna start off the bat with some hip openers in 3, 2, 1. Just really extend, bring that hip over. When I plant my foot down, boom, the other leg is already coming over to drive up and over. This is a great exercise. It's also almost like an active stretch. It's really just gonna open up those hips, open up that body for these next few exercises. It's gonna be fun. Again, go as fast or as slow as you deem fit. The goal is really just to move our body, get our heart rate up. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have some step jacks, 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go. We're gonna be doing the butt kick variation. Just stand with your feet a little wider than normal. And then as you lean to one side, boom, kick back. There you go, get your arms up. Let's get our arms nice and loose for these next exercises we'll be doing. Just go up. You're gonna feel it in the sides of your legs like I am. Couple more seconds, here you go. 3, 2, and 1, great job. Next, we have front raises and side raises. So here we go. Just wiggle it out, 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go, so arms in front, boom, raise, arms out to the side. We're just gonna alternate between these two. Let's keep up the pace, keep the tempo nice and fast, but also controlled. We don't wanna just be like flailing our arms around like that. Just right up in here. We're gonna feel it, we're trying to tone, we're trying to get healthier. As I'm breathing heavy, I'm like, here you go. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, last we have some squats. Come on, you can't do a HIIT exercise without some squats, baby. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I like to have my feet a little past shoulder width apart. You can go as deep as you want, or maybe if it's just right here, maybe it's just a little knee bend, whatever you feel comfortable with, go ahead and do. I like to extend at the top a little bit, just focusing on that pelvic tilt, but really just explode up and down. So like I try not to stand up here too much. I really just want to make sure I'm making the most of the 30 seconds. There it is, get deep, boom, go right back up. 3, 2, and 1. You did it, that was set number 1. Grab some water, because you earned it. It's also an excuse for me to take a breather. All right, there you go. That was your first set done and dusted. We're gonna get started with set number 2. Less talking from me, more doing from you. Here we go, we're gonna start off with those hip openers in 3, 2, 1. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1. front and side raises. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not the man you want. You've made a mistake.
Squats. 3, 2, 1.
And I can tell you that no one has produced anything like this.
All right, there you go. That was set number 2 done. Do some bounces real quick. We're gonna get started with set number 3 in just a second. Grab some water if you need. All right, let's finish strong. Come on, this is HIIT, baby. Set number 3, and starting off with those hip openers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1. Right, front and side raises. 3, 2, 1. Squats, 3, 2, 1. Great job. That was your easy, low impact HIIT workout. Maybe I should lose emphasis on the easy part because I am tired. I feel so good though. I love it. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell. Stay on top of any new videos dropping. You have an amazing day and stay strong, my friend. Peace.